One thing that most people get wrong is that stem cells don't just magically regenerate whatever's wrong. How stem cells actually work is they interact with your own cells and unlock their potential and give them the guidelines on how to be able to fix themselves the issue. My name is Dr. Felipe Deliyore. I'm the Director of Orthopedics here at RMI. And my background and my training is in sports medicine and non-surgical orthopedics. And we're basically trying to push the boundaries of what non-surgical treatments can do for people's joints and injuries. So usually we have several conversations with patients before they come. So ideally, if you want to come down, we would have already looked at your medical history if we have it. We would have talked about it, discussed it, and discussed the treatment options. Once you get to the airport, we pick you up, we take you to your hotel room, and then you come to the clinic. We move into the ultrasound room where we go ahead and we do a very detailed examination of whatever's bothering you. I try to teach patients a little bit of what's going on so you can see what's actually happening in your joints, and then we discuss the treatment. I always discuss it with the patient to see if you think what I want to do makes sense and if you agree with it. Then we go into the procedure room and we go ahead and we do the treatment. Usually for comfort, we do most of the procedures under sedation. Most people don't like to be poked with needles. That's always something we do for comfort. So basically what we have seen is more than 80% of our patients report having an improvement, a significant improvement. For a non-surgical treatment to have 80% of the patients that come in through the door, that is a really, really good number. Plus, it's a really simple procedure. You basically come in, we examine everything, we treat you the same day, and that's it. You can fly back the very next day if you want to. But most patients within 1 week, 2 weeks, maximum 3 weeks are back to doing the things they like.